Feta cheese blended with yogurt, mayo, lemon juice, and zest, plus flavorful dried herbs and seasoning. Perfect with veggies, warmed bread, or burgers? Wait until you try this feta cheese dip. You know we're big on easy recipes with big flavors, but wait until you try this one dip recipe. You're gonna be hooked after just one bite. It all begins at stovetop. Small skillet, medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. We're gonna toast them up until golden brown. Easy, right? Now just grab a food processor and prepare to be amazed. The food processor is fitted with a blade attachment. We're gonna add 8 ounces of feta cheese cubed, half a cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of mayonnaise. Add the zest from 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 garlic cloves chopped. Add 1 teaspoon each dried oregano, dried thyme, and dried dill. Do half a teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Note, we did not add salt to this recipe. That feta cheese is salty enough. Lid goes onto the food processor. We're gonna run at a low speed until everything is blended. And just like that, we're ready to serve and enjoy. Pour the dip out onto a beautiful plate. You can do a beautiful swirl. Then let's drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. Add a sprinkle of chili flakes. How about some chopped fresh parsley? And then those toasted sesame seeds. You ready to dig in? We love serving this dip with fresh vegetable crudité, warmed bread, crackers. But wait, how about this? On burgers? So awesome, you will not believe it. We know you're ready to make it, so the full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a dip is this beautiful, take a picture of it and post it using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Super delicious feta cheese dip. Perfect for your next party or chilled get-together. Enjoy. Beauty.